So this is a mechanical robotic arm. Let us understand how we assembled it. Let's understand the parts. So if you see over here, this is a servo motor which is connected through a wire to a adapter module over here. Next up we have spur gears which are connected to a DC motor. This is encoder DC motor. We have two types of DC motors. One is encoder and the other one is a normal DC motor. We have two DC motors connected over here. One is here and the other one is over here, which is connected to this gear. Now all of these parts are controlled by a microcontroller behind. There are different ports on this microcontroller where all the motors, different motors are connected and they function accordingly. Let us understand how the connection works. So this is a power cord. You connect one plug over here and it goes to the power bank in the front. Now we have given the power supply. Let's connect the motors. This is an encoder wire. What we are going to do is we are going to connect it over here to this encoder motor, and then over here in the controller we have a motor driver. We are going to control it over there. Next up we have a RJ cable. This is going to get connected to the module, adapter module, and this gets connected to the port number D on the microcontroller. It's over here. Next up we have a DC motor wire which is going to get connected to this motor over here, and then this jack gets connected to M1 port over here, M2 port. At last, we have one more encoder wire which is going to get connected to this motor, and then behind it is going to get connected to the second motor drive. Now our robotic arm is ready. All the connections are set up. Let us see how it works. Now the setup for this robotic arm is done. Let us perform an activity of grabbing an object from this place and placing it to another place. This is the remote. We are going to press the downward button. Now we are going to press the button number 7, that is going to move this motor, which will help the robot come down the arm. As you can see, it is coming slow because our speed is at 1. As it comes near the object, we are going to open the arm. It has picked the object. Let's take it out. We are going to press button number 6. Let's keep it at a different place. We are going to press arrow on the left side. It's going to turn, and then let's place it down. Again, press button number 7, and let's press button number 8.